Hello everyone, welcome back to BackTech Product. Today, we're checking out one of the best cordless drills you can get your hands on. Whether you're into DIY or need a solid tool for work, this drill combines power, ease, and comfort. Stick around as we go over the features, pros, cons, and our final thoughts. Let's get started. Product features: compact and lightweight design. The DeWalt DCD771C2 is designed with user comfort in mind. Weighing only 3.6 pounds, it's incredibly easy to carry and handle, especially useful when working overhead or in tight spaces like cabinets or corners. Its slim profile also adds to its maneuverability, making it ideal for detailed work or extended use. High-performance motor. At the heart of this drill is a high-performance motor that delivers 300 unit watts out of power. This allows you to drill into a wide range of materials, from wood and plastic to metal. The motor delivers consistent torque and speed, meaning you won't be left struggling midway through a job. 2-speed gearbox. The DeWalt DCD771C2 features a versatile 2-speed gearbox, giving you the flexibility to tackle a variety of tasks. With 0 to 450 RPM for low speed and high torque, it's perfect for driving screws with precision. For faster drilling, switch to the high-speed setting of 0 to 1500 RPM. This easy-to-adjust transmission makes the drill suitable for everything from assembling furniture to drilling pilot holes, offering efficiency and control no matter the project. Half-inch single-sleeve ratcheting chuck. The half-inch chuck with a ratcheting mechanism provides tight bit gripping strength. This means your drill bits stay firmly in place during use, reducing the chance of slippage and enhancing precision. It also allows for quick and easy bit changes, keeping your workflow smooth and efficient. Ergonomic handle. Comfort is key for any power tool, and the DeWalt DCD771C2 doesn't disappoint. It features an ergonomically designed handle with rubber overmolding, offering a non-slip grip. This helps reduce hand fatigue and gives you better control during longer jobs. Reliable battery power. The drill runs on 18V XR lithium-ion battery technology, which is known for long-lasting power and reliability. The included 1.3 amp-hour battery provides a decent runtime, enough to get through most household or light professional tasks without needing a recharge. Plus, it comes with a fast charger, so you can get back to work quickly. Pros: extremely portable and easy to use, even for beginners. Powerful enough for a wide range of applications. 2-speed gearbox adds flexibility. Ratcheting chuck improves drilling accuracy and bit security. Ergonomic grip for comfortable use. Reliable DeWalt battery system with decent runtime. Cons: not suitable for heavy-duty industrial tasks, great for home use, but may lack power for concrete drilling. Single battery included, you may need a second one for longer projects to avoid interruptions. No built-in LED light. Some models offer an LED light for dark workspaces, but this one does not, which can be a downside when working in poorly lit areas. Final thoughts. The DeWalt DCD771C2 cordless drill is a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a reliable, versatile, and easy-to-use power tool. Its compact design, powerful motor, and user-friendly features make it one of the best options in the cordless drill category, especially for homeowners, DIYers, or anyone just getting started with power tools. While it's not built for heavy-duty construction, it shines in day-to-day tasks and medium-duty projects. If you're in the market for a cordless drill that offers solid performance, ergonomic comfort, and great value, the DeWalt DCD771C2 should definitely be on your list. Check out the price in the description below, and don't forget to subscribe to BackTech Product for more honest reviews and tech insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.